at the Bush's Baked Bean Factory Museum.
Hey!
It's beautiful out here.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that scenery.
Gorgeous.
Wow.
Gorgeous scenery everywhere.
Here's my beautiful wife.
Wow.
Look. Look. Ready? What?
That's
Isn't that weird?
pretty.
Here, get a picture of me.
Here. Lay down.
I'll lay down. Are you kidding me?
Oh my goodness.
There's your bear right there, baby. There's your bear.
Baby. It looks like
He's about 100 pounds, 120 pounder. Look at him. There's your bear, honey. We're rolling.
Come on.
Whoa. That was scary sounding. Whoa. I think if you jumped down there, you would meet your demise. I said no jumping. I think if you fell off of that or tried to jump, you would probably
meet your demise.
You would meet your demise.
For sure.
Absolutely.
This is really fun though.
This is awesome. Here we go, precious. Whoa. That was cool. Did you want to do that? Dude, they are flying.
Works for y'all.
Good night. You want to do it? Huh?
Yeah, we just got
That'd be pretty freaking awesome. We pay for it. As long as it's not an extra charge, you know?
I don't know. We'll investigate it. We'll investigate it.
I would definitely hold the GoPro. Would that be okay? Or would you not be okay with that?
Yeah, you can if you want. If you drop it, you owe me $200.
Paying you shit. Wait, just checking. I ain't gonna drop it.
Look at that gap.
Sketch. Whatever you do, don't look down.
I like how it's kind of wobbly.
I do too.
Wobbly.
I can do a rope bridge.
It's like we're in a gigantic this adult playground.
This is, I feel like we're in the Ewok village in Star Wars.
Oh, that is awesome.
I love it.
Can we embrace the tree for a second?
He's awesome for holding us up. Almost at the tippy top. Whoa. Hey, there you go.
Tippity, 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 tip. Tippity, tip. This is awesome. I love it. It's beautiful. And the morning, I'm hoping in the morning workout. Just walking this way.
You can definitely get it.
That'd be great.
Yeah.
But, a little steep on that
It
one.
is. Wow.
The mystery of the Smoky Mountains. Smoke is formed from the millions of trees and plants that live in the Smoky Mountains.
Pretty cool though. It's old school. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at those pews. Those things are pretty. It smells like real. Like it smells. Yeah! Man, that is incredible.
Thank you for that applause. Look over on your left-hand side.
Look, he's gonna come back later.
Whoa.
Two of them together.
Big.
Oh, this is moving. I didn't even notice I moved. I didn't even go on the side.
Lucy. Lincoln, look at the big old smile. Yeah, sorry. Alright, let's do a few more. Sorry. Ready, set, go. Cheese.
That looks like a little sandshell.
It's not you.
Or is that a...
Is it black too?
That's a black tip?
We got black too. Look at this guy again. That's crazy.
Yeah, but it's got some place in the fridge. Look at this. Look at the screen.
That's awesome.
Can you stand and listen? Oh, cool, cool. Look, right here. Look at the teeth. Up close. So those are the, that is the, what is it, the sand tiger shark? Yeah, sand tiger. We have a buttload of those in North Carolina.
Oh dear. Who's in charge here?